listeners, welcome to another episode in our range of YouTube videos. Today I'm gonna show you and unpack a beautiful product new to our analog program, the Auris toonarm from Serbia. So here we have the Auris W-9-inch, the W-9 toonarm. Counterweight, anti-skating control and the arm lift system. The Auris toonarm with a very rigid carbon tube, beautifully made, very cost effective. Under €1,000 you buy already the 9-inch toonarm. I can't wait to put the toonarm on one of our older LP12s and give it a demonstration for ourselves first and for our customers later. If you are curious in one of the toonarms from Auris, please visit us on our premises here in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25. See you there!